Hey traders, welcome back to LutaMarkets. If you're serious about passing the PropFirm challenge and getting funded, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down a step-by-step blueprint that'll help you pass that challenge and secure your funding. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding the PropFirm challenge. Before jumping in, it's critical to understand what the challenge actually is. Most prop firms like FTMO, Funding Pips, and TopStep have rules such as achieve a specific profit target, usually 8 to 10%. Maintain strict risk management rules, like daily and overall drawdown limits. Complete the challenge within a set time frame, usually 30 days. Remember, this is more about proving you can control risk rather than just making huge gains. 2. Develop a solid trading plan. Next, you need a rock-solid trading plan. You're not just aiming to win 1 or 2 trades, but to show consistent performance. Here's what your plan should include. Your preferred trading style, day trading, swing trading, etc. The markets or instruments you'll focus on. Clear entry and exit strategies. Defined risk management, position sizing, stop losses. 3. Risk management is key. The number one reason traders fail these challenges is not because they lack skill, but because they don't manage risk. Prop firms have strict drawdown rules, so here's how to avoid blowing it. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Keep your risk-to-reward ratio at least 1 to 2. Know when to walk away from the screen after a losing streak. 4. Stay disciplined and consistent. To pass the challenge, discipline is your best friend. You can't chase losses or overtrade. Stick to your trading plan and treat the challenge like you would if you were trading with your own money. Consistency, big wins. Even if you're ahead of the profit target early on, don't deviate from your strategy. Prop firms look for traders who can stay consistent, not get lucky. 5. Use a trading journal. Journaling is a powerful tool. Track every trade you take, the reason behind it, the outcome, and what you could have done better. You'll notice patterns in your behavior, and it helps you improve faster. Passing the PropFirm challenge isn't about being a hero on a single trade, it's about demonstrating you're a professional trader. Stick to the steps we covered today, and you'll increase your chances of getting that funding. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to LutaMarkets for more trading insights.